Friends help friends. Thank you.
We did it!
The AI baby football niche is one of the most creative and exciting opportunities for content creators because people never stop loving cute, emotional, and entertaining characters. Even after a football tournament ends, audiences can continue enjoying heartwarming baby football adventures, making this a niche with long-term creative potential. In this video, I'll reveal the complete workflow I personally use to create cinematic AI baby football shorts with eye-catching visuals, expressive characters, smooth animation, and viral storytelling. You'll also learn how to make your content original, reduce copyright risks, and build a professional YouTube channel that can grow steadily over time. So stay with me until the end, because in the next section, I'll guide you through every step from generating AI characters and animations to producing a complete viral-ready AI baby football short in just a few minutes. First, copy the master prompt provided in the description below and paste it into Grok AI. Every time you use this prompt, Grok AI will generate 9 to 10 brand new AI baby football story ideas, so you'll always have fresh and unique content to create. Next, choose the story number you like the most and send it to Grok AI. The AI will then ask you to select your preferred video duration and aspect ratio. Simply choose the options you want and send your selection. After that, Grok AI will generate consistent character image prompts and environment, location image prompts for your story. It will also ask whether you want each video clip to be 6 seconds or 8 seconds long. Choose 8 seconds, then tell the AI that every scene should be generated as an 8-second video clip. Grok AI will now create step-by-step scene image prompts for your entire story. Once the image prompts are complete, it will ask whether you also want motion prompts. Simply reply with yes or next, and it will generate detailed motion prompts, character dialogues, camera movements, and sound effects for every scene. Now, open Flow AI and create a new project. Click Tools, then open Whisk AI. In the left sidebar, click Subject, paste your first character image prompt, and click Generate. Repeat this process until all of your story characters have been created. Then, switch to the Scene section and generate all of your environment and location images using the prompts provided by Grok AI. Click the arrow at the top, then open All Media, where all your generated images will be saved. Next, go to the Characters panel on the left and click Add to Project. Select your first character image and click Add to Character. When the character opens, copy the character description from Grok AI and paste it into the description box. Then copy the character's name, click the pencil icon, paste the name, and click Done. Repeat these steps for every character until your complete character library is ready. Now open the Scenes section and select Agent. Open Settings and adjust them according to your story, images, and motion prompts. Then save the settings. For each scene, copy the corresponding scene image prompt from Grok AI. Click the plus button to add media. First, upload the matching environment, location image, then add only those character images that are mentioned in that specific scene prompt. You'll see each character displayed with their assigned name, making it easy to select the correct ones. Avoid adding extra characters that are not part of the current scene. Paste the image prompt into the Generate the Scene box and click the arrow to generate your scene image. To create the animated video clip, click the plus button again and upload the generated scene image. Then add only the characters who have dialogue or appear in that scene. Type, generate an 8-second video clip of this scene with dialogues. Paste the motion prompt below it and generate the video. To maintain perfect continuity between scenes, always copy the final frame of the previous video and upload it as the reference image before generating the next scene. This helps the AI keep the characters, camera angle, and environment visually consistent throughout the entire story. Finally, download all your character images, environment images, and video clips. Save them to your device and upload them into your next Flow AI project whenever needed. By following this workflow, you can create beautiful, consistent, and professional AI baby football videos quickly and efficiently. I truly hope this tutorial gave you practical knowledge and at least one valuable idea that you can apply to your own AI content journey today. My goal is to save you time by researching creative, evergreen niches and sharing proven workflows that help you create original, high-quality content with strong potential to grow and qualify for YouTube monetization when it follows YouTube's policies. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your encouragement motivates me to keep creating even better tutorials, discovering new AI opportunities, and bringing you high-quality content that helps you grow faster. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next exciting tutorial.